name is Xuân Xuân. I'm 17 years old and now I'm a student in G<hesitation>High School. You see, coincidentally, I know Pasal on Facebook, especially video math challenge. It makes me feel excited. And then I searched for information about it, and then I decided to learn English in Pasal. During the time when I learned English in Pasal, I realized my improvement day by day. In fact, Effortless English is a good method. It helped me can speak English faster and easier. And learn English is not difficult like other people think. It's so funny, so crazy, so interesting, and makes me love myself. And studying in Pasal, I have many new friends. And so now, I totally have enough confidence to communicate with other people. You know, most trainers, tutors, and all staff in Pasal are so young and have much experience. That is why they have much energy and power to teach you. And they are very friendly, polite, caring, and enthusiastic. So I feel really happy and comfortable after each lesson. If you want to be good at English, if you want to speak English like a native speaker, let's join and learn English with us in Pasal. Just have passion, just believe in yourself. I believe that you can do it. And finally, I want to say thank you to my trainer MjourdIT, and also my all tutors and all staff in Pasal for giving me a lot of happy time when I learned in Pasal. Thank you so much.